Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to make an owl using a cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop, please click the link in the description box below to learn how to make one yourself. Let's get started! First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop. At one end of the loop, make a small loop and place it between your left pointer and middle fingers, like this. Next, bring the loop forward and put your left pointer and middle fingers into it. Now, pull the horizontal string in front of your left pointer and middle fingers forward. Twist it once and hook the new loop back onto those two fingers. If you take a close look, you will see two vertical strings between your left pointer and middle fingers. We will hook the left vertical string onto your thumb and the right vertical string onto your pinky finger. Now you see a straight horizontal string behind your pointer and middle fingers. Slide it to the front. Now you see a round loop. With your right hand, gently pull the two long vertical strings towards you. And here is your owl. Let's try it again. First, make a loop. Put it in between pointer and middle finger of your left hand. And bring the loop and put over pointer and middle finger. Pull the strings forward. Pull the horizontal string in front of pointer and middle finger and twist to make a new loop and hook that loop onto middle finger and pointer. Now you see double strings in between pointer and middle finger. So to that left one, to the left, onto the thumb, and the right one to the right to pinky. Now pull the double straight strings and bring the back horizontal string forward. And there is a beautiful moon right there, and pull it gently, and voila! It's an owl. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how you did in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching.